Crisco.
Hi, my name is Jenna Smith and I'm in Mrs. Nunez's 6th grade class. I did my science fair project on cookies made with different shortenings. In my background research, I learned that fats play a major part in cookies. I was educated about 3 different types of shortenings. The first one I researched was Crisco, which is obviously a type of shortening. I learned that it was invented in 1911, it has the highest melting point, it has 100% of fat, unlike butter, and it's flavorless. The second type of shortening I researched was margarine. Margarine was developed in 1869 by a French food chemist, and it has the same fat ratio as butter. The last and most popular shortening I researched was butter. Butter was first churned about 4,000 years ago. 1/2 of it is saturated fat, which is the highest amount out of all the 3 shortenings, and it's best when used at room temperature. My investigative question was, how does the different types of shortenings affect a cookie's taste? The hypothesis I made was about how the cookie's tastes would turn out. For example, I thought Crisco would be the least favorite because of the research I did that stated it barely had any flavor. I also thought margarine would have an alright flavor because, like I said before, it has the same fat ratio as butter. And last but not least, I had predicted butter would have the best flavor. This is because, as you know, it is 1/2 of saturated fat, which is the highest out of all the 3 shortenings. Sadly, my hypothesis did not support my results. As you can see in the data table, butter was not the favorite. Instead, margarine was. In my conclusion, I said different types of shortenings can affect a cookie majorly, but not only by the flavors, but the textures as well. All of the batches had different textures. For instance, the shortening cookies were tough according to the taste testers. The margarine cookies were soft, and the butter cookies had a good crunch and chewiness. In my applications, I said that this project can be applied to the real world in one way. This way is which type of shortening is best for your cookie's tastes. And my future research stated that I would have given my taste testers warm cookies instead of just regular cookies. That was my science fair project, and I hope you enjoyed.